Our multi-tool is a specialized, premium quality tenon cutter that can cut up to 6 different size tenons and is proudly made in the USA. These cutters feature a 60-degree tapered shoulder tenon profile, a precision-machined billet aluminum body, a durable high-strength steel shank, razor-sharp precision ground blades, and exclusive multi-sized inserts. In use, simply cut your desired tenon size, change to a different sized insert, adjust the blades, and cut the new tenon size. 6 sizes with one tool.